Dear students, now we'll see very important part in this chapter. Some important numerical questions from the chapter solution. The first question is, calculate the amount of NaCl which must be added to 1 kg of water. So the amount of NaCl required to 1 kg of water for what? So that the freezing point of the solution is depressed by 3 Kelvin. So there is the depression in freezing point by 3 Kelvin, and the given value is Kf 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole, atomic mass sodium 23 and chlorine 35.5. So children, first we have to write the equation for the dissociation. The Venn diagram is there. So first we'll write the NaCl. So NaCl on addition into water. So in solution, what happens? It will undergo dissociation, and so there will be formation of 1 mole. So here there will be formation of 2 moles. Here we have 1 mole of sodium chloride. Then we have to find out the value of Van Hoff factor. So then first we'll calculate the value. Calculation of Van Hoff factor. Van Hoff factor I. So I, it is the observed colligative property. So it is the observed colligative property upon normal Cp. Normal Cp means normal colligative property, that is the normal value of the particle. So it is, so here 2, it is 2 and here it is 1. So here the value of I will be equal to 2. Now the second part will be calculation of the amount, and so the formula. What? Formula is that delta Tf is equal to I Kf M. So this is our formula. Then we'll expand and see how. Coming to second portion. So first we calculate the molar mass. So molar mass, Mb of NaCl. So it will be what? Sodium 23 and chlorine 35.5. So it will be 58.5 U. Now coming to this portion. So here that delta Pf is equal to I into Kf. Then molality. So it will be Wb by Mb into 1000 upon W. So we'll keep all the values. So see here, this depression in freezing point here, or we may write this is 3 Kelvin, and this I is equal to how much? It is 2. Then this Kf, it is 1.86, and then Wb we have to find out. Wb, then 1000, and then Mb 58.5, and then here it will be 1000. Now, so on solving all the values, it will be around 47.2 grams. So this is the answer. So children, the important point is that you have to focus on the different aspects, step by step, and so with the cool mind you can solve the question. So The important point is read the question twice so that you can solve easily with ease. Children, this is the second question. Again, very important point. Calculate the amount of calcium chloride, molar mass 111 gram per mole, which must be added in 500 gram water to lower its freezing point by 2 Kelvin. K for water 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. So, for water, the freezing point depression constant, it is always fixed 1.86. This value is given in numerical, but you can learn, you can keep in mind. So children, first we'll calculate, and the formula as we have seen in the previous, so formula will be same. So first we write down the equation, because the value of I, it determines the important aspect. So first we write down the equation. So CaCl2, calcium chloride, CaCl2, and so assume that it undergoes dissociation completely. So calcium chloride in water, it is dissociated as Ca2 ions aqueous plus 2 Cl ions. So here the value is 3 moles and here it is 1 mole. Now we'll calculate the value of I. This I has to be calculated, and so I is the important point. Now see how. Now the degree of dissociation, this alpha has the relationship between the number of moles and the I. So alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon N minus 1. So see, this alpha, it is 1 in normal condition, and so we have to calculate I. So it is I is minus 1. N is equal to after dissociation, so it is 3 minus 1. So here the I will be there, and see. So here the I will be, here 1 plus 3 minus 2. So I will be equal to 3. Now we'll incorporate in the formula that this delta TF is equal to I Kf into M, and so the amount of calcium chloride is there, and so it can be calculated as. So we have to calculate the amount of calcium chloride needed, and so we'll expand this formula. So delta TF is equal to I Kf M, or on expansion this I into Kf into WB by MB, amount of calcium chloride needed, molar mass of calcium chloride, into 1000 upon W in gram, or here this delta TF. Now we have calculated the value of I. So here we know I, you have find is equal to 3. Now this depression is 2 Kelvin, so here we will put 2, then I 3, Kf 1.86. This depression freezing point 1.86. This WB we have to calculate 1000. MB molar mass 111, and this 500 gram. So on solving this WB, so it will be in grams. The derivation of the unit is very much important. Here this is in Kelvin, kg per mole. This is 111 gram per mole, this gram, and so this 2, it is Kelvin. So the value will be there, and so it will be around 19.7 gram. So this will be the answer, and so in this manner we can solve it. Now this is very important question, rather tricky question. See, 6% sucrose solution means sucrose solution is 6%, is isotonic with 3% solution of unknown organic solute. So organic solute is unknown and the strength is 3%. Calculate the molar mass of unknown solute. Molar mass of sucrose is 342 gram per mole. So you have to find out the molar mass of unknown compound or unknown solute. So children, as the osmotic pressure is same, isotonic, it means osmotic pressure is same. So nothing is given, only this percent and this percent means the amount. So in this question, first we'll calculate the number of moles. So number of moles of sucrose. So number of moles 6 gram upon 342 gram per mole. The number of moles of unknown solute. So here it is given 3 gram and this is unknown. Now as the osmotic pressures are same, so we can equate them, or we can say as solutions are isotonic in nature, so number of moles will be similar or comparable. As osmotic pressure, it is colligative property, so it is similar or it is comparable. Or you can write down or 6 upon 342 is equal to 3 upon x. So here we'll cross multiply, or x will be equal to this 342 into 3 by 6. So it will be on solving such questions we'll have the point, and so it will be very much technical to know, and so it will be 171 grams. So such numericals are very much important, and to note this is with sincere approach.